Bob Izumi here, and I live in the Halton region just outside of the town of Milton, or city of Milton now. So I'm here on Limestone Creek, and it's a small creek that feeds Brawny and runs off the escarpment. And, Conservation Halton has done so much work over the years on this creek because it does house resident brook trout and a lot of other species of fish. They've done so much work on planting trees along here, narrowing the stream to keep the flow going. And to think that, all of the wildlife back here and the fish and everything that uses these areas is so much to appreciate when you can keep these areas as natural as you can. And this is a living, proven example of what stewardship is all about. We got to keep it right for the future generations to enjoy. Well, we're very thankful. We're honored to get this award. And what can I say? Life is good.